Can you see us, Milton? I think they can. What's up, vlog? Dang, you can't even see me. Milton, come here. Can I say what's up? This is Milton. Y'all ain't even met him yet. We're out here swimming. Or he's swimming. Thought we should video. You can't even see me. Take it down here. But taking Milton for a swim today. Look, come here. Hold on. Where we go, man? The worst duck dog of 2025? No. Come on, Milton. Figure we should vlog though. Y'all should see the camera set up. It's got a rock, top another rock, but we're gonna make do. Come here. This is Millie. She's about like 3 years old. It's my child that is very expensive. No, I'm kidding. He's a pretty good dog, I guess. When he wants to be. But he don't ever get to go swimming, so. But y'all can't even see me. Okay, back up. But figure we'll take him swimming. Berlin didn't want to attend. She's a loser. But okay. Because she got things to do. What she said. No, I'm just playing. She got laundry to do. Maybe doing the chores anyway. But heck yeah, man. Look at him go. So proud. When you take y'all go catfishing, we'll vlog that. It'll be at night though. I don't know about tonight. It could be tonight. You never know what I'm gonna get into. Or Millie. You never know what Millie's gonna get into. Come here. Come here. Come here, Millie. Go jump. Don't drown, man. Don't drown. Don't drown. Should do catfishing and like hunting vlogs. That would be pretty witty, I guess. That was stupid. I shouldn't do that. Got out here and started getting eaten by mosquitoes. Pretty bad. Pretty bad when I got out here. Milton don't never get to go swimming, man. Today he got to go swimming, so it's a happy day. Bro, we pulled to the gas station, and come here, boy. Let me tell you what, this dog went crazy, because there was another dog. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Let it go. Milton, let it go. Milton, drop it. Drop the stick. Bro, you some big dummy. Anyways, he done spilled water everywhere on the console. Hey, drop it. Milton. This isn't very duck doggy, you know. Okay, drop it. Milton, drop. Quick. Yeah, you gotta drop the other stick so we can get this one. Go, boy. Anyway, you know, ruined my transmitter in my truck. That was dumb. Ruined my transmitter, so I can't listen to music now, but the radio's been playing good songs. Oh, yeah, that's great. Oh, no. But yeah, they've been playing good songs on the radio. And stuff like that. Oh, boy, come here. Too far. Don't drown. Big old catfish gonna get you, boy. Dude, should we jump off that bridge right there? Should we do a little bridge jump? I think we got it. Hey, that could be a YouTube video. Bridge jumping. I think we should. Come here, boy. Go get that. Oh yeah. Y'all about to watch Milton die. Actually, I guess there's a little sandbar right there or something. I don't know. The ride home is gonna be, well, he's sitting in the back, so kicking him to the curb, man. I just wanted to update y'all. How long is it? Say 4 minutes. Oh, we can still go. We can go. Oh, we gotta go to church today. Gotta go to church today. Heck, that's really about it. Church and I don't even know what else I'm gonna do. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I need to be able to go live on here. That'd be pretty fun. I don't know how you acquire that, but maybe we can acquire that. They did a part takeover. I think it's called It's Up Production at Milan last night, and they said it's pretty good. So tune in. It's called It's_Up Production or something like that. I don't know if I could tag them. I'll try to tag them down below. But tune into that. There's a little turn up at the Milan Park. Come here, boy. You need to take a break. Come here, come here. I know my butt's out. Come here, come here, come here. We'll do a little longer tree, boy. Let's jump in the water, man. Keep the fans if they want to see. Go, boy. Look at that ferocious dog. Oh, look at that duck. Dang, man. Come here, ducky, ducky. That was a hoodie in my game. Ah, quit, boy. Dove season's coming up. What y'all's, I don't know who all watches me, but what's the loadout for the dove season? Quit, boy. I'm gonna talk to myself. I guess I am. Well, filmed one yesterday. A little crumble cookie review. Sounds gay, but hey, them things are fire though. Barely won't let me post the video. I might like send it to my phone and post it anyways. Shit gay. Shout out to Graylin. She took me over yesterday. Oh, there's another bird, man. Oh, buddy. Quit, boy. Go on, we'll do another long one. I want you to jump. I want you to jump like you ain't never jumped before, man. Go, boy. Oh, yeah. That's the deep part. Just, I want to see if you jump off the field. Oh, that. They probably shouldn't do that. Oh, let's skip a rock. Pull my pants up because I know my butt's out. Oh, buddy. Shouldn't have brought hay dude. No, don't go get that. No, Milk, come here. That's a rock. That's a rock. You can't go swimming for the rock, man. Come here. Drop it. Good boy. Here. Dang, bro, this stick is gay. We had a good stick. It's in that freaking thing right there, but it's in the tree right there. Oh, buddy. I know it butts out. Y'all just gotta do it. Oh, yeah. Oh, Mills, watch out. No, don't go get that. Come here. Mills. Here. Try to get this stick down, Mills. I need your other stick. That was a good one. Come here. Hey, come here, boy. Mills. You gonna drown over there, man? And I'm not coming in the thing. I'm not gonna participate in saving you, man. Too late. I'm just playing. Come here. No, it's a rock. Listen, your brain cells ain't deformed. That mine is. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Yeah, get that one there. I've been trying to get you a big stick. Whole time. I'm gonna get my toes in the water. See this thing? Oh, where are you in the world? Dude, I know my crackers out. Here! Bro, you're making me look bad on camera, man. I'm about to get fired. Mill! Oh, come here. Hey, man. Come back. Come back, man. Come back. Should we go get that stick? I know y'all want to go see me get that thing. I should have brought my boots. Should have brought my cold bearing boots, man. No, I'm playing. Cold bearing boots, man. Come on, boy. Here, bro. Here, bro. Here, bro. Here, bro. Milk. There ain't nothing out there. Let me grab this rock. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look, come here, boy. Yeah, buddy. My feet are wet on my toes. I don't understand what that is about. Come here. Dude, that's it. Come here, my crocodilian. Come here. You need the light. Just go find one. Yeah, go on an adventure. Just get back sometime. Man, I think he's running away. Yeah, get them sticks right there. Oh, he looks like he got into something. Don't make me come save him. I might not. What? You ain't no J-Raff. Milton. Come here, boy. I should have brought the camera. Better quality. I think my phone's better quality than that camera. I don't know. Listen, what are you doing? What are you doing? You just under the shade tree looking boy. Well, we got here and I'm telling you, them mosquitoes ate us up bad. I think they still are. I don't put. Oh man, my life is acting up. Oh, y'all gonna be laughing in this video. This is probably like so long. Oh, we should like do the last proverbs of the day like that here. That would be cool. Milston, can you come back this way? What is it? Oh, I thought we could swim out here. There's just turtles and stuff. Turtles and stuff. Milk, man, what are you eating over there? I can't wait to vlog the safari park, guys. Dude, y'all finna laugh so hard. Where are you going, man? Come here. Come on. Y'all finna like die laughing. This is gonna be hilarious. Safari Park Adventures with Joe and Graylin. What should bring milk? 13 minutes. We'll go to 15 minutes, I guess. Dude, we go a whole hour on this thing. We go like maybe 20. Quit, boy. They probably want to see you jump more, mister, but you're sick. You did it, mister. What are you doing? Go. I don't know where to go. Hey, get that stick right there. No, get that stick right there. Hey, right there. That's not what I said to do. Hold on, we're gonna retrieve this. Come here. Oh, I almost got it. Hold on. Hold on. There's a huge stick right in front of your face. You can just grab it with your mouth. Milk! Come here. Dang it, man. You can just grab it with your mouth. That'd be doing something. Malfunction. Hold on. There you go. Oh, look, you got the little one. You want the big one. Dang it, man. Well, don't die. Mama said, don't do anything to get yourself hurt or the dog. Oh, boy, I think it. Dang it. Dang it, man. We almost got it. I might get a catfish on this one. Might be a big old snake. Big old snake. We're doing nothing good now. Big old snake. Big old snake. Oh! Dang it, man. That's just a heifer dog. Oh, buddy. Oh, we got good. Yeah, right there. Grab that thing. You're right there, man. Milton, fetch up. Fetch the stick up. I didn't teach you that, did I? Oh, man. Grab the stick. The stick. No, not that. Get you, man. Oh, crap. Dang, I almost had it. Get it. Grab it. There you go. Get it. Dang. Milton, get the stick. You need more to listen. How to retrieve. Aren't you retrieving? Do not see the object of the map. There you go. Right there. Good boy. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Oh, oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Being a dog, being a dog. Literally, I'll probably laugh on this. This is being a boring video, man. We're born. Talk, can't talk, I can't talk. Can't talk, man. I'm gonna get it anyway. If you just grab it with your mouth, over there, you little monkey. What do we put in the tree, dude? Come on. Oh, wait. Oh, man, I'm sorry. Yeah, let me catch a milk. How many minutes has it got? 17. Might as well. I'm gonna try like 3 more times to get this stick. And if you shake off on me again, I'm gonna beat your butt. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's what I'm talking. How are we supposed to do it, man? Look, this is some life advice. If you spend more time at the river, you'll be less stressed and have a peaceful life. That's my life advice for today. Something like Phil Robertson too. I'm telling you, man, come out here and just, if you got a dog that's got some brain cells, bring your chihuahua out here or something. Hey. Or something. Well, I can't wait, like, if I start a YouTube channel, like, get a house, I'm gonna get me a puppy, and bring him out here. Like a German short-hair porn puppy. Something like that. That'd be pretty fun. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bring Graylin out here and push her in the water. No, that's kind of mean, I'm sorry, man. Oh, but we should swim in here. I ain't it, bro. Oh, I said 3 times, I done did it like 5. Gotta end the vlog though. Anything you will or wait, what is this? Anything you say or will be done to get hold against you, something like that. But Melissa, come here and say bye. Did I not teach you your manners? Bye guys.